So here you can see we have made an AC generator. Now current is coming through here which goes to the motor. Now this motor causes the magnets here attached to rotate. These rotating magnets create and changing magnetic field which is enclosed within the loops. Now these loops therefore generate electric current which is measured over here. Now we can see that as we change the current, the rotation frequency of the motor changes, and therefore the value of the changing magnetic field generated is more, and hence we get a higher value of the AC current produced over here.